Tyler again. I'm fishing at the rock. Called waterwork. And I'm using corn. It's over there. You can see that. You can see that. The white dot, that's him. Because he's trying over there, I'm trying over here. So, it's pretty slow, you know. Haven't cut too many fish. Caught one. It was a bass. Oh, I'm gonna bite. See the rod? That's mine. Serve the bad light. Gosh. Yeah. Camera's good. Reeling. So, you know. Oh, I had a bite. It was a good bite. Good bite, good bite. I need more corn. Corn. Sorry for that last video, guys. My friend, Nick, he frickin' didn't put on the frickin' OK button to start the video. That's why he missed the frickin' video. And guess what? You both got frickin' out. Now, you don't have it on video for you guys. Just frickin' great, eh? Because he thought it was on video. And he forgot to press the video button. And then he just put it down and started videotaping us, and now it's not, like, you know, it's like freaking, he didn't videotape us, so he's a freaking moron, you know? Sorry, it's next, he's a freaking moron. Because I handed it to him, and he's like, okay, I'll turn it on, and then 2 minutes later, he's like, okay, Tyler, it's okay. And then he started videotaping, and he's like, well, okay, it's on, you know? He's just a moron. I'm the smart fisherman here. So if you think I'm the smart fisherman here, comment on the box below. If you think he's the smart fisherman, just put his name, and if you think I am, just put your name. And just put your name. And put my name, guys. Okay? Because I need to know who's the best fisherman. You know? Because he thinks he's the best fisherman. He's not. Totally not. Okay? And, you know, it's really freaking retarded. He's so ignorant about this that he freaking made me fall off my bike, almost fall off my bike, and land and go piercing with my freaking fishing rod and poke him in the eye. Okay? Is he that ignorant? Okay? Comment in the box below if you think that's ignorant. Just say ignorant, okay? And I'll get it. Okay, thanks. That is really ignorant. And he didn't even say soda. And he didn't even say soda first. It's really ignorant. I think it was. You think it was? Just comment in the box below. I'm just taking a drink for you guys. Oh. I'm fishing, just a little bit outshore, you know. I'm just eating corn here, it's so good. So fucking good. Ew. Nick's using bread. I'm using corn. Oh, I'm gonna bite. Oh, here comes some people fishing in the next spot. Eh? Here comes people fishing in the next spot. There they come. They're going and fishing in the next spot. They're going fishing in the next spot. Next to the spot field. Haha. How to bite? Doing that. We're just out here in St.Thomas Ontario. We should fish some carp, sucker. Doesn't really matter what we're fishing for, but we're fishing for something, you know? Whatever we can catch is good. I don't want to be stuck, you know? Looking through the fish and I don't. Freakin. Freaking hot one today, eh, guys? Guys, I'm going to be doing a video on flying perch soon. On Saturday, and then I'm going to be doing the next day. Oh, sorry. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to be doing one on perch fishing tips. You know? Just how to catch perch and what to use and, you know? Because I really need some more subscribers. I only got 2. I think next day is a YouTube thing, you know? I think he's out of it. Because he doesn't want to, you know, I don't know. I just don't think he wants part of the money. Like, if people want to buy a video, then he doesn't get half. Yeah. So that's just my way. I made a YouTube account, it's my camera. I do everything. I buy him everything. So he just uses. Well, not really use. But yeah. Okay, tell me, comment in the box below to tell me how good your fishing ventures have been. Because right now, mine is freaking crappy. I've been catching shit. You know? This is usually more fast-paced. Like, maybe my hook's too big, I don't know. I was using it to start. That's right there. Did you hear that, guys? That was my line. Not in the line. Oh, there's a fresh further. As you can tell, guys, there's a freaking geese shit right in front of your face and the camera. That's because there's freaking geese all over here, you know? Sorry about that, guys. You know? I was only going to pick up my camera. Ooh, I'm getting a bite. Buddy, I'm hungry. Mmm. Oh, there's one. Sorry, carp. Oh, I think I have one. Oh, frick. Next coming over. Shit. Next coming over, guys. You might want to watch out. Alright. What can I do for now? No? Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe things are bad. So, guys, I think it's time to wrap up the session by, you know, saying cut and cut crap. So I'm just gonna make the video again when I get back away from me. Okay? Okay, bye. Subscribe and stay tuned.